At Wahluke School District, our mission is to empower and inspire students for all opportunities in life.
How do we fund these schools and prepare for the future?
We are seeking voter approval for the levy to help fundamental programs supporting our students,
such as instructional assistance to provide more personalized attention in the classroom.
Nurses to promote and support students' health.
Courses and materials to meet the needs of students at all grade levels.
Buying supplies we need for learning.
Maintenance and upkeep of our schools and district facilities.
Increasing training for teachers and staff.
Extracurricular enrichment activities which help promote student growth opportunities as well as learning experiences.
Athletics for every student.
The 2-year levy is on the February 11th ballot.
The local levy picks up where state funding ends, as there is currently a gap between what the state funds for kindergarten through 12th grade education and what the students in Mattawa need.
Now more than ever, we rely on local support for our school.
Overall, the EP and O levy will ensure that Wahluke School District students continue to receive a quality education in a safe and supportive environment.
Please remember to vote on February 11th.